You already have suits, pants, and shirts. This isn't about those basics. It's about 5 unexpected pieces that most men don't own and should. Hi guys, I'm Ann here, your personal stylist and JHilburn men's custom clothier. If you've worked with me before, you know I'm not interested in trends. I'm interested in making your wardrobe easier and your personal brand more elevated. Today I want to show you 5 unexpected pieces that quietly upgrade how you show up without buying a whole new closet. Number 1, the shirt jacket. This is for the days when a sport coat feels like too much, a fleece feels too casual, and a shirt just isn't enough. It's tailored, it's warm, and it immediately makes you look intentional. Shown here are different examples, subtle or bold, to show you how this can work across different offices and personal styles. For many of my clients, the shirt jacket becomes their most consistently worn workpiece. Number 2, this men never think about: a custom belt. Why is it special? Well, because we choose the strap color and the stitching color. Imagine a navy belt with brown stitching worn with blue trousers and a tan jacket or a brown jacket. Everything quietly connects. Your belt can help pull together your shoes, shirts, jackets without making a big statement. Here's another example using just a two-tone sneaker. It's a small detail, but the kind successful men notice. Number 3, an indoor layering vest. Not specifically designed as an outerwear piece, these vests are worn throughout the day over a shirt or under a jacket, adding warmth and style, but not formality. It's ideal in offices where a sport coat, again, feels like too much, but just a shirt and pants is missing any subliminal style authority. Do you like that word? Here are 2 examples. Item number 4, a truly great pair of shoes. Whether your work dress code includes suits or just simple chinos and shirts, shoes are what separate the men from the boys, from forgettable to appearing as a man of presence. Great shoes are the cornerstone of the image concept executive authority and in any career context. You don't need many, but just even one exceptional pair changes how so many of your outfits will look and feel. Number 5, finally, the sleeper, a premium performance fabric dress shirt. This is where guys say, I never knew a dress shirt could feel this good. Just like we can choose amazing, silky, lightweight fabrics to make into a polo, we can use the same fabric to create what looks like a traditional dress shirt, but feels like the best polo you've ever worn. And once you experience that, it's very hard to go back to stiff, starched, crispy cotton. There you have it. 5 pieces that aren't trendy. They're practical upgrades for making getting dressed easier and showing up more confident. And if you realized that you've missed 1 or 2 of these, just reach out. You can call, text, or email me, and I'll help you figure out what can make the biggest difference for you.